anywhere. But at the end of the day, I'ma be SHATIMAR no matter where I am. We have TT chicken pot pie. Don't be playing me, y'all.
Spicy. My wife loved it. Didn't she nominate you to be here?
Yes. Okay. I'm feeling pretty good about this right here.
I can taste the raw butter.
No.
Oh, really? They don't feel like they're cooked all the way through.
Right? Not good at all. Do you see this crowd? This ain't for losers. I'm coming back. Morning, everyone. So it's Monday, January 8, 2018. It's the day after the show premiered. We're on our way to check into our timeshare now. We're leaving the Red Rock Hotel Casino. And our girl Roberta, shout out to you if you see this, boo, is coming to pick us up. I gotta make some videos. I have like 4 fucking minutes left. It's raining in Vegas, but it's not icy and it's not cold, so thank God. Dee's inside. I'll see y'all later on today. We can get on the strip. It's time to play. There it is. That's the Bellagio, you guys. The orange.
And everybody, do you remember you guys came out one?
Okay, so this is our timeshare. We stayed at the Red Rock 2 days, and then we went to the timeshare for a week. I ate gumbo and Jesus, that margarita. They did that. Roberta, your husband, really cooked and put his foot into that, and you made that margarita, Roberta. I'm trying to get somebody drunk already on their trip. But the crab legs, you guys don't try to eat with nails. Crab legs and gumbo. And it's so freaking good. And I think this is my first time eating it. I know Dee fixed something, I don't know if I ate it. Oh my gosh. And I broke the thing wrong. Don't judge me. I'm going to get the meat out eventually.
You going to get it out?
Yeah.
She said, don't judge me. I'm going to get it out eventually.
Don't judge me, right. I'm going to get it.
What's that? What you eating right now?
Part of crab, isn't it?
Is that chicken?
That's crab. That's crab.
That's crab. Yes. I'm a piece of orange meat right here. And I have margarita right here, too. That's so good. Thank you, Robert. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
That's the cook right there.
Love, love.
You gotta learn to get juice all over your forehead.
Look, down here.
Like so messy.
You gotta get
Like a princess doesn't eat like this.
Oh, God.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm a princess after I finish
But
cleaning up.
I want to eat it, but I'm nervous.
You nervous?
It's so good, and I really want to get into it. Oh my God, look at me. Oh, you're over your girl's house, and she's showing the show. Hey. Sorry. Oh, is the light on?
What are y'all making?
All kinds of stuff. But, right, we're making a mess. Sharon, you love that. So we did go to Walmart. We went to a store called Smith's. As always, when you get a timeshare, you need to cook food. And so we're getting our food. Babe's getting someone's dip. She got the same shirt on. When you meet good people, they're such freaking lifesavers. So blessed to have her. Alright, so let's hurry up because she could be waiting for us outside. Bye, Roberta. We love you. Who's she talking to? The dog picking up on bad energy. Moving right along. Who is that woman sitting in our timeshare, Hoppo? That's the lady from the Westgate trying to set us up to do a presentation. We good. Because it shouldn't have got this damn timeshare, but whatever. It is what it is. Here is just some pictures of the timeshare. The bathroom, the room, the living room, the kitchen, hallway. I don't know, I got a lot of everything. Finally got the king bed. No more doubles. But that is what that is. I love going to this. And we've been to this unit every single time we go. So it's like exciting. And you know, Dee loves her baths. Look at that lady over there harassing us. Lady, leave. I done left you and started taking pictures. Like, what else do you want? Baby, thanks for bringing these shirts or buying these shirts for us. I love you. You are my rock. You're my everything. And you're my sweetie. But on top of that, I need some chocolate chip cookies. And that's what I made. And that's how they came out. But baby did her a steak, honey. Look at them onions. And she has some fries going. I got pictures and videos to come of that, too. She has this big old steak. Looks yummy. Look at it. It's on like fire. Stop it. See, I'm trying to make me sick. And I got no sausage dip. Woo! And some fries. Like Oprah. Besides Oprah money, she did so good yesterday. Oh, all right. Thank y'all. Dessert time. I hope we got a pan. Look at these damn bananas from the episode last night. I had to put the bananas. No, I had to put in the pancakes with the bananas. Ooh, bring back some memories. And look at here. We got some pancake mix. Yeah, I'm going to retry this shit from like last night. Y'all, Worst Cooks in America season 12. See, I did breakfast this morning. I ain't videotaped me cooking, but yeah, I laid it down real fast. Okay, so good afternoon, good morning. I think it's like it's afternoon here in Vegas. I haven't done my hair yet, but I've done my makeup. I'm about to do an interview with the Richmond Dispatcher. So like I'm on vacation, but honey, you gotta work too, child. You gotta work. So I'm so nervous. I'm about to get ready for that. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all, let y'all know how that went. The nervous thing is because you can't say like, and you don't want to spill the beans. So yeah, it's just nervous wrecking. Bye, y'all. Wait. So we're out here. D is harassing me, making me go on the strips. So yeah, we're about to go to the strip and hang out for a few, and then we'll be back to the room. My interview went really good today. Thank you. Yes. Now do it for real. Forget that bus. I cannot. I am so in love with my wife. She is so crazy. So that was on the way to the casino. We were leaving our timeshare, catching the shuttle van to the strip. Casino Royale, I think this one was in. So I always got to stay close to her. And then, of course, we went to the Sugar Factory. And, honey, I got pictures and videos. And we had a ball. And the drink was $10 more than it is in Orlando. It was $40, that drink right there, versus $30 in Orlando. West Coast, East Coast, what can you say? Had to share with babe. She always want what I got. But yeah, thank you, baby. This birthday is like starting off and is like one of the best birthdays. Except for the surprise you gave me on my 30th. But yeah, this is so fun. Like, no, you're not going through here. We're crossing through. We're at the Venetian. See the Venetian right there. And yeah. So we're gonna go and see if we can go to Casino Royale and see what we can get into, because the gambling is a little bit cheaper there. And downtown Fremont, that's really cheaper. Fremont, oh, there's always smoking there. All right, y'all. How sweet. There's D. That's D. This is the win.
It's great, it's great.
And every damn all the sidewalks and shit seem to be out of order.
We sing.
I don't know where it is. What? Oh my God, you're going to go to it. Shut up.
I'm so glad.
Here, don't be. You're so glad.
So glad. I'm so glad.
You're real rude.
I'm so glad.
I'm gonna give you that nice little drink with the bubble in the
Yeah.
You're a real hater. So tonight we're out here. It stopped raining. You're so close up on me.
I know.
And we have Treasure Island over here. We have Palazzo over here. And the wind behind us. And it's just so much to do. So many resorts. I'm gonna show y'all a lot this week. Stay tuned. Trust me. Right. Come on, let's ready to
Do a dance, girl. Do a dance. No.
Gosh, this is so cute. Yeah, it's a little lollipop. So this inside section must be closed. Look at that. Oh, and you can walk through there. Oh my God, this is so dope. really cool.
That's ridiculous. Do your videotape. There it comes. They got dry ice in there or something.
Oh, it's
Give
me a spoon.
You sucking up on.
I'm in that ball. Give me a picture. You know, she gotta steal some of my damn drink.
I'm gonna steal this glass.
And then you gonna make a big. No, you're not stealing that glass, crazy ass. Always trying to take a towel or a glass.
Too big to be trying to steal.
I think that damn drink like $30, you guys. And it's still bubbling. Candy area that you can come in and sugar. They got, oh, that's the restaurant area right there. This little store you can, oh my god, look at the donuts. It's crazy. Excuse me, Porky. A drink. The old Chloe. All the drinks with the ice. I go to the restroom. Oh, that's nice. I'm a bathroom freak. Food. Oh my god, I'm feeling this drink though.
Are you?
Yes.
This is the same taco bread.
Alright. I like to record, babe. She'll know I'm recording. Oh, I got 3 minutes left. I gotta make a video. That's all she do. That's her serenity, so I'm good. Great morning. Coming up next, let's take a full day on the strip and see what we can get into. Maybe I'll include the night. I told y'all it's going to be a lot of parts to this movie because we did so much in Las Vegas. Stay tuned. Part 3.